class. I'm going to try to pick up where I left off. A little technical problem there when my battery went dead, but I'll just say it again in case I lost that other part. Welcome to Introduction to Early Childhood Education here at the University of Arizona Global Campus. It's good to have each of you with me as partners in learning for the next 5 weeks. Last night you should have received a welcoming email that let you know how to contact me with email or phone if you have a real emergency and need to speak with me. It's usually best if you're going to do that to email first and let me know that you need me that way. And if you do call and don't reach me, please leave a detailed message with your phone number, and I will call you back as soon as I'm able to try to help you with whatever concerns or issues you might be having. One of the things I suggested in the email was to begin by reviewing the course syllabus and any resources to say, and then I needed to stop and check that no trespassing sign before I went further. As you can see, I'm out in the country down in the southern part of the state of Delaware. You probably, if you've not been to Delaware, you probably think it's all Interstate 95 or Route 1, but that's not the case. Especially if you get inland away from the Delaware beaches, which we're about 10 miles away from where I'm riding right now. This is called Inland Bay Road. I don't know that there's any bay on it. There's a sign. It's a water treatment area, so we'll see. But that's not why we're here. We're here to study early childhood education. And as we do that, you're going to be studying a bit of history of early childhood education. You're going to be studying learning approaches, classroom design, and learning theory are the main topics that we'll be looking at. One of the things I'd recommend that you do, I'm going back to the resources that I mentioned a little bit ago. But resources come in handy not only in this class, but in future classes. So what I want to suggest is that when you do open a resource, go ahead and save it. Create a file, if you don't already have one, of education resources, because they're not only useful in this class, they're useful in future courses, but more importantly, you find many of them useful as you prepare instruction in your classrooms. You're also going to find resources that you may want to share with staff that you work with now or in the future, and also with parents. A lot of parent resources in this class. So, as you begin, save those resources to your computer, bookmark them if they're websites, and then you won't have to look for them again. That's the nice thing about saving them. Well, I wish you all well, and it's a pleasure to be your partner in learning here at the University of Arizona Global Campus. Have a great day.